the midnight hour struck, India has become the ICC Women's World Cup champion. A big victory for the women in blue because they have done what everybody was hoping they would achieve tonight. India has won by 52 runs in a high-scoring final at the Navi Mumbai Stadium, D.Y. Patil Stadium, and it has certainly sent a wave of energy across the country. Let's go across to Mayuresh and Smriti, my colleagues, joining us. Some visuals coming in from across the country as well. These are family members of the Indian team also celebrating. Let me go across to my colleague Mayuresh, who's at the D.Y. Patil Stadium. Mayuresh, if you can hear me, fireworks in the sky, and it is giving a whole 2011 vibe today in Mumbai.
Absolutely, and Navi Mumbai is completely energetic. You can see that people are now going to come out of the stadium. Many people are still waiting inside for the presentation because they want to see Team India lifting that trophy. It was a long, I will say it was a dream which everyone saw. And we have seen that how in Team India basically work for this particular dream to get into the reality. Shivani, this is the bus which you can see. That is the main entrance from where the Team India will be coming out. And we are expecting within the next few moments, people will start coming out. You can see that people have already started coming out. We'll go across to them, we'll check with them. Excuse me, sir, if you could share your thoughts about Indian victory, sir. You tell me, please, sir. Yeah.
Really happy, can't express myself. It's amazing.
When the last wicket fell, what was in your mind just before that moment?
Just joy. We knew it was inevitable, it was going to happen, but we were
And
just
when
waiting.
Laura was playing that knock, or were your heart were also beating very hard that we need that wicket?
Once Shefali came into the attack, once she got 2 wickets and then Deepti took 4 more, it was just going to happen. We were just,
How happy you are?
we are just really happy. Look at him.
I want to ask you, sir, also, how happy you are?
Excited and very proud moment for women cricket, and winning a World Cup is out of the world.
Absolutely, Shivani. That's the reactions, initial reactions which we are getting. We'll try to go across to many more people. You can see that the people have started coming out of the stadium.
We'll keep your camera on, and I also want to go across to my colleagues Smriti and Yesha joining us. Yesha is also in Mumbai. Yesha, what are the scenes like around you?
Absolutely, Shivani. This was the same place that we were reporting from this morning, where we'd seen a sea of fans who were gathered here. Early in the morning when there was when it was raining. But yes, now in a couple of minutes from now is where we'd see all of these fans rejoicing, coming out.
I'll come
right
back
now,
to you
where
then.
you can see this
I want to go across to Smriti as well. Smriti, what are the scenes like where you are? Where are you first up?
Well, you can hear the background. It's Chak De India. On the right side of me, there are visuals of Team India. We have our women in blue, and India has created a history. We have a lot of people here to talk with us. Sir, India has finally, won. And now, what is your reaction?
वेरी गुड रिएक्शन. हमारे भाई साहब का बर्थडे भी था आज का, शाहरुख खान का भी बर्थडे था, और आज के दिन इंडिया जीती ठीक 12 बजे. उससे खुशी की बात क्या हो सकती है?
It's a historical win for India. What do you have to say about that? Our women have, brought the cup.
इंडिया की टीम तो बहुत बार जीती है मेंस की, लेकिन गर्ल्स की पहली बार जीती है. बहुत खुशी हुई मैम. बहुत अच्छा. मेरा छोटे भाई का 50वां साल जो था ना, वो आज सक्सेस हो गया इंडिया की जीत से. बहुत खुशी है, मैं बहुत खुशी.
आप लोग कब से
रोशन कर दिया, हम औरतों का नाम रोशन कर दिया.
मैम, आप कब से मैच फॉलो कर रही थी? कब से यहाँ पे थी? क्या एक्साइटमेंट है?
हम इंडिया लेडीजों का मैच देखने
हम तो रुके रहे, इसलिए गए नहीं हम घर पे. जब तक इंडिया को जिता के ही जाएंगे, चाहे जो भी टाइम हो जाए. और
इंडिया.
आप लोग स्टार्टिंग से मैच देखते आ रहे हैं. पहले बैटिंग इंडिया ने की.
पहले इंडिया ने बैटिंग
जिस तरह से सैफाली ने खेला, फर्स्ट बॉल से हम देख के आ रहे हैं. फर्स्ट बॉल से देखते हुए आ रहे हैं.
क्या एक्सपेक्टेशंस थी मैच से पहले मैच से पहले क्या एक्सपेक्टेशंस थी आपको? क्या
लगा कि जीत जाएगी, लेकिन बाद में सैफाली ने अच्छा किया और दीप्ति ने तो बहुत ही अच्छी बॉलिंग करी, जिससे कि इंडिया जीत गई. ये खुद सुन के बहुत खुशी हुई, देख के बड़ा अच्छा लगा. 100% श्योर था कि इंडिया ही जीतेगी. 100% श्योर था, हम सक्सेस हुए.
As you can see that people,
मैच को ज़्यादा enjoy कर रहे थे.
as you can see that people have been waiting here. It's more, it passed 12, but people were really excited about, our women playing at the field, and they were really happy, especially when that last wicket was taken. People were really happy, and
Yes.
even now, everybody here is very proud of their women.
Absolutely. This is a momentous occasion as far as the Indian women's team is concerned. Remember, before the